Hey, it's Sam here, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the TTC Elf King magnetic switch. It's a deep Thocky magnetic switch priced around $4 for a pack of 10 factory pre-loop switches. For the design, the switch looks like this with a transparent polycarbonate top housing that has an RGB diffuser, a teal color MX style stem that is stable with almost no wobble as you can see, and a 2-pin light blue bottom housing with 2 ventilation holes. On the inside of the switch, there's the magnet attached to the stem and a single stage spring in the middle, which are all factory loop out of the box. For the specifications, the switch has a lifespan of 100 million keystrokes, an initial force of 32 grams, a total travel of 3.4 millimeters, an initial magnetic flux of 90 Gauss and final magnetic flux of 480 Gauss, a 17mm single stage spring, and an adjustable actuation point from 0.1 to 3.3mm. Moving on to the performance, the switch offers a really smooth typing and gaming experience with no spring ping or friction at all. It also produces a deep Thocky sound signature that is really satisfying when in use. For the testing, I'll be using the FL-Esports G75HE keyboard. And of course, this being a magnetic switch, you can set the custom actuation points, enable settings like rapid trigger, set the dead zones for the switches, and calibrate all of the switches. Honestly, these switches were great during gaming with no performance issues, and it might be the best sounding magnetic switch I've tested. Anyway, here is me gaming with the switches in Marble Rivals, followed out by the typing sound test. Please enjoy.
Gone from sight. Thank you very much.
Double kill.
The moon haunts you.
Double kill. That's 3. Wow, 4 in a row. You go, girl.
Alright, here are my final thoughts on the TTC Elf King magnetic switch. After using and testing it, I think it's easily one of the smoothest and talkiest magnetic switch. It works well for both gaming and work, striking a nice balance between performance and feel. The design is great too, letting RGB shine through cleanly, and is compatible with most Hall effect PCBs. So if you're looking for a smooth and deep sounding magnetic switch, the TTC Elf King might be the one for you. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to TTC and iPopular Shop for the switches, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.